In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll have a live email-safe timer that builds urgency and helps drive clicks for launches, sales, or event reminders. Start in your Mailchimp email editor with the campaign or template you want to use. In the content panel, find the code block and drag it into your layout exactly where you want the timer to appear, often near the top of the email, just under your headline. The code block is important because most email clients don't allow scripts. Countdown timers work as dynamic images that update when the email is opened, and the code block is the safest way to embed that image. Next, open your browser and go to mailtimers.com. This tool generates countdown timers that are optimized for email. Once you're in, create a new timer. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, and choose the deadline you want your subscribers to see. Be sure to set the correct time zone so the timer matches your send schedule and audience location. After creating it, go into Edit Timer. This is where you fine-tune the look and feel. Adjust the font, colors, and background to match your brand, and choose the style of digits and labels you prefer. Consider the width. Most email layouts are around 600 pixels wide, so setting your timer near that width, or slightly smaller, helps it sit neatly on both desktop and mobile. If the service offers label text and separators, make them short and clear so the timer stays readable at smaller sizes. Pick a contrasting color for the digits so they stand out, and preview how it looks on both light and dark backgrounds if that option is available. When it looks right, click Copy Embed Code. This will copy a small HTML snippet, usually an image tag with a dynamic source link. You don't need to modify it, just copy it as is. Switch back to Mailchimp, click into the code block you added earlier, and paste the embed code. You can center it or add spacing above and below using simple inline styles if you like, but avoid extra scripts or complex HTML. Keep it clean so it renders consistently across inboxes. Use Mailchimp's preview to confirm placement and check that the timer fits your layout. If your email client blocks images by default, the timer will display once the recipient allows images. So make sure your surrounding text explains the deadline clearly as well. That's it. Your countdown timer is now live in Mailchimp and ready to create a sense of urgency in your next send.